How to turn off Twitter sensitive content setting. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off Twitter sensitive content settings. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to turn off sensitive content setting on Twitter, all you have to do is first of all open the Twitter app. And then make sure that you're signed into your account. After you open Twitter and then you make sure you're signed into your account, you'll basically see this kind of interface. Now first, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon, which is at the top left hand side of the screen. And then under it, you have to go to the option called settings and support, and then you have to come to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, here you'll see these options. Go to the one that says privacy and safety, and here you can see content you see. Just tap on it. Now currently I have turned off sensitive content, so if you want to turn it off, just turn off this toggle. If it is turned on, your Twitter feed is also going to be able to see all the sensitive filtering. So if you want to turn it off, make sure the toggle is turned off. As you can also read, it says display media that may contain sensitive info, so you want to make sure to turn that off. Once you turn it off, you'll not see sensitive content on Twitter once you reload the application. And that's all it takes to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.